What's going on, guys? It's Raven here, bringing you guys another video. I have purchased another Jeep Cherokee. I'm about to do a brake change. I'm going to show you guys what this thing looks like. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here it is. Like I said, we're in the middle of a brake change. I will be showing you guys a video on that here soon. But it's a 1993 Jeep Cherokee. It is a base model, but it's got the 4-liter motor. Tried and true. I've already done a tune-up on it, new plugs, plug wires, cap, rotor, and the air filter, which it's a simple design, but it's a pain in the tail to get this box open. So we're just gonna leave it as it is. Also, this back here, come up to you guys. There, the little boot was gone right here where my thumb is, where it downsizes to the smaller piece for the vacuum. So we took that off. I had a piece of tape connecting the map and that PCV hose together, but that didn't quite work out. So like I said, guys, it is a 93 Jeep Cherokee. It's another 2-door. I don't know, I guess I'm a sucker for the 2 doors, but it's in a little bit of rough shape. Got to remove the tent on both sides. Already done so on the back, so this thing's gonna be pretty good here soon. Gonna get some new tan on it. Check inside here. We do only have 181,000 miles on the odometer, which is pretty good. Since it is a 93, this has no driver's side airbag, unlike my 95. We still got the original radio in here, which I really like. I'm trying to keep this thing pretty stock. Passenger seat's not too bad. I've got a whole bunch of crap in here because I'm just fixing it up, trying to get it roadworthy. It is 4-wheel drive. The e-brake does work. Driver's side seat does have a huge mess in it, so we're probably going to get that replaced. And I'm thinking about just replacing the carpet just to be on the safe side. Whew. A little hot in there, you guys. Got some pretty cool stickers added on. The guy I bought it from, he put some black paint on these taillights so he could go hunting, and aircraft remover removes the clear from the taillights too, so that's pretty fucking fun. Other than that, though, it's pretty cool. It's got the old dealership badge from where it was bought here locally, so it's been locally owned for the last 28 years. I've put a couple stickers on it for now. We'll have more later. Got a whole bunch of crap in the back, but like I said, this is an SE, so I believe these wheels are supposed to be silver, so I'm going to be replacing them with silver wheels. Did not come with passenger side view mirror, and it also did not come with a rear wiper either, so we're pretty fortunate that the Sport has those things. It also does not have a full center console either, but it's in decent shape for what it is. It does have a little bit of surface rust underneath. We'll go underneath real quick and show you guys. It does have a little bit of surface rust. Most of this stuff is getting replaced anyway, and a whole lot of like mud and dirt from the previous owner using it for hunting. So stick around, guys. There's gonna be a lot with this one, and the 95 is almost finished up, so stick around. Later.